It's Thursday, September 7th. Tomorrow's my brother-in-law's birthday. He's joining this generation, my generation. He's still younger today. It's all good. I want to talk to you about my favorite D pillar. It is the Gleener. The Gleener. And we have it back in stock. It is a regular around here. It never wears out. It is the best. And now you can even get the refill blades if you've had it forever and ever like I have. So the Gleener is a lint, D-linter, and a D pillar. And this end, you have 3 different blades. You have a very coarse blade, like that. You have one that's black, kind of like fine sandpaper, and this is like super fine sandpaper. So the one that I use the most is the black one. It just snaps on and it pops off with that lever. Snaps on, and literally you can scrape, 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 and the pills come right on the top, and you just pull them off, and you can de-pill a sweater in a heartbeat. I have even used this on my cashmere sweaters. It works fabulously. It takes all the pills off. If you have a heavier coat or something that is pilling, then you go for this, the rougher blade. And if you have a synthetic, often a synthetic dress, or we have so many synthetic fabrics these days, wash and wear, that do pill. They tend to pill on the arms, etc. The fine blade literally will take those pills off and give your garment new life. The Gleener, it is the best. And the large Gleener is $22.50. And then there is a travel version that comes in this adorable bag, and it looks like this. And it pops open. It has the lint on the back, like this, same lint brush. Then it opens, and the blades are on the inside, and you attach them here. Again, it's just a matter of pushing this little button, and then they unhook. So this is the best, and you can travel with it. It is amazing. So you can de-pill and take off the lint. I'm telling you, can't beat it. The small one is $16. They make great gifts. They're wonderful, absolutely wonderful. This is a woman-owned corporation. As far as I know, it was a mom and daughter when they started years and years ago. So it is amazing. 5 stars in my book. All right. Then I want to tell you about this. Comes from a company that has promoted it and said it is amazing. I have had clients buy it, and they are so thrilled with it. They say it's absolutely amazing, super hydrating, non-greasy, a relief of serious protection for sensitive skin. So this is amazing. People have gone crazy for it. It is called SkinMD Shielding Lotion. It has aloe vera, comfrey, yarrow, chamomile, and arnica, and more. It says apply a small amount every 2 to 8 hours until moisture level improves, then just once every 12 to 24 hours. So this is a powerful, wonderful moisturizer. Fabulous. The small size, which is 4 ounces, $15.95, and the larger size, which is 8, $25.95. I'm telling you, I've got clients who swear by it. So there you go. 2 non-knitting but very valuable things that we have in the store just for you. All right. I think that's it for tonight. I will see you tomorrow. It will be Friday. So have a good evening. I'll see you then.